This lesson will cover the following topics: the role and the different types of engine valve timing, variable valve timing, operations on the valve timing. First, let's take a look at the role of the engine timing. The timing synchronizes the movement of the camshaft and the crankshaft to open and close the valves. The camshaft controls the inlet valves to allow the entry of fresh gas into the cylinder, and the exhaust valves to evacuate the burnt gases. The connection between the camshaft and the crankshaft can be made via the following components: a belt, a chain, a series of sprockets and a chain, a series of sprockets and a belt. These are the 4 types of drive that currently exist. Now let's take a look at the belt drive in more detail. The timing consists of a sprocket driven by the crankshaft, 1 or more fixed rollers, a tensioning roller, 1 or more toothed camshaft pulleys, and a toothed belt. Move your mouse over the components to identify them. Now let's take a look at the chain drive. The timing principally comprises the crankshaft sprocket, the camshaft sprocket, the chain tensioning device, a chain. Certain engines are equipped with a self-adjusting sprocket to drive the second camshaft. Move your mouse over the components to identify them. Finally, let's take a look at the timing using a series of sprockets linked to a chain or a belt. These configurations are usually used for high-pressure diesel engines. Move your mouse over the components to identify them. Now let's do an exercise before continuing. Identify the different types of engine timing. In this section, we covered the following points. The timing synchronizes the movement of the camshaft and the crankshaft to open and close the valves. There are 4 types of drive: by a belt, a chain, a series of sprockets and a chain, and by a series of sprockets and a belt. The belt drive system consists of crankshaft pulleys, camshaft pulleys, rollers, and a toothed belt. The chain drive system comprises the crankshaft sprockets, camshaft, the tensioning device, and a chain. The front-end configuration may comprise a combined drive system with a series of sprockets and chain or a series of sprockets and belt.